doorbell, and I've also installed the chime inside the house as well. Let's give it a first try and see the response time as soon pressed. Chime worked in 1 second and the ring came in 1 second as well. Not bad. Let's attend it. As soon you attend it, there we go. You can see me here, guys, clearly straight away without any problem. I'm sure we need to check the voice quality of it, which I'm going to do it in few seconds. So let's do a sound quality check where I'll be pressing the doorbell from outside and you'll be hearing all the sound on my mobile phone.
Huh?
What happened?
There's a blue car outside and it's just gone.
Only a bit. Is it not clear?
It is clear.
Is sound quality not clear? Is sound quality clear?
Yes.
Okay.
But it's very quiet.
Very quiet.
Yes.
Okay. It might be just noise cancellation kind of function. That's fine. It's quite windy outside here.
Okay.
So here's how doorbell vision looks like in the night time. It's not that bad at all. Well, I do have a street light. If you don't have, the night vision will automatically turn on. That's not bad, to be honest with you. But for the camera, well, this part seems to be decent.